Hello friends, welcome to SMA Vlog. I'm Shahid. Today I want to share with you how during the weekend I make my breakfast, and I will share step-by-step process whatever I follow, and I will share everything with you right now in this video. So let's go. Today I am making my breakfast. I want to make this soup. This is called pumpkin beef soup, and to make this soup, as usual, I want to use my instant pot. Beside that, I want to make a special dish which goes with the bread, and for this dish I want to use the tomato, egg and some sausages. So later on I will show you how I make that dish, but now I will focus on preparing this soup. To make this soup, first of all, in the instant pot I am going to add this soup mix directly. So as you see, this soup mix came with all kinds of ingredients in it. I don't need to add anything. I'm already getting very strong flavor from this mix. So this is my packet number 1. Now I'm adding the packet number 2. This is my packet number 2. I'm adding the soup mix. Keep in mind that if you add multiple packets, like 2 packets, you should use the same type of soup mix. When you add these 2 same types of mix, then you will get the accurate flavor. Yeah, of course you can mix 2 different types, but it's better to add similar types. Now my soup mix is inside. So as I added 2 packs of soup mix, and each pack requires 500 ml of water, so I am going to add 1000 ml of water. Okay, so this is the optimum amount of water whatever is required, but now I'm going to add a little bit more of water. This soup may become a little bit thick. I don't like thick soups. I want to make it a little bit watery, so I want to add a little bit of extra water. So I'm adding 250 ml of extra water right now. So after adding this water, what you just need to do, stir it a little bit. And that's it. This is done. Now I'm closing the lid. So after closing the lid, put this pressure release button to the lock position. Now I'm gonna press the soup button, and it will take 30 minutes to cook this soup. So friends, basically during the weekends I try to prepare the breakfast for my family, and today I decided to make this soup and that special curry that I'm going to make now. I'm right now waiting for the soup to be prepared, then I will go for the curry. Now the thing I want to say that always, as you know, I try to make foods as easily as possible. As you have seen, the soups takes very less effort to make, and also the curry that I'm going to make right now, it's very easy to prepare, and of course it's going to be very tasty. I bought this bread from grocery store, so we'll have our dish with this bread. So guys, now I'm going to prepare my other dish for the breakfast. Basically this dish is a egg, tomato and sausage mix curry. To prepare this dish, I need first of all egg. I took 5 eggs. Then I took 2 tomatoes already chopped here, and I took 2 onions already chopped here, and I'm going to use this Al Jabiha sausage. It's a chicken sausage, and I'm going to use around 5 pieces of sausage. Let's go for it. To prepare this, first I will take out these sausages. So I took 5 sausages, and I need to cut them into small pieces. I already cut them into small pieces like this. Now I'm going to directly cook this. Some cooking oil. So I'm putting some cooking oil. After putting the cooking oil, cook it in a way so that it don't burn out and it become little bit of brownish face. So my sausage is done. I'm gonna transfer this sausage here. Now I will go for this onion. I need to put this onion here. Little bit of oil. I need to make sure that the onion shouldn't burn out. So as you see here, my onion is almost ready to cook, and at this point I will add the tomatoes in it, and after that I'm almost done. It's a very easy dish to prepare and it's going to be very tasty. I'm going to add my tomatoes. My tomatoes are almost done. At this point, I will add this sausages inside the tomato. Now I will put the eggs in the dish. I need to add some salt at this point. As you see, I never added any salt yet. At this point only you need to add some salt, and the reason I didn't add any salt in this dish before, because you know, the sausages has already salt in it. It's a little bit salty, so we don't need to add any extra salt for sausage and tomato. We just need to add salt for the eggs. That's it. This is almost done. We just need to add some thyme to cook this egg. So this is almost done. So that's it. Now at this point I need to transfer this into a plate. So transferring this is a little bit tricky. So guys, that 30 minutes is over. Now it says low 08, so it means after 30 minutes this is now in low pressure or in low temperature. It is just keeping the food warm, and that's it. Now I'm gonna turn it off and open the soup. our soup basically is ready. I turned it off. Now I'm gonna release the pressure. Now I'm already getting the smell of the soup, pumpkin and beef soup. Now I'm gonna open this lid. Wow, my soup is ready. Let's try this. Wow. So I'm just trying this soup, how this tastes. Perfect. It has pumpkin inside and with a beef flavor. Very nice and very easy to make. You see, I just put those soup mix inside and added some water, and that's it, and press the button. And within this 30 minutes I didn't do anything and it's become ready. Now my soup is ready. So guys, this is my breakfast. As you see, I took egg, sausage and tomato dish, and also this soup. Let me try the soup first. It's very good. And let me try this dish. Awesome. So guys, this is an awesome breakfast and very easy to prepare, and it will take around 15 to 20 minutes to prepare this breakfast. This breakfast can go with any kind of bread. You can have this bun or this type of bread or regular naan, and also you need this Coke. So guys, I'm going to enjoy this breakfast now. Thanks for being with me and watch how to prepare this awesome breakfast. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also click the small bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. So till then, have fun and have good breakfast. Bye bye.